This is one of Grandma's favorites. What do you call a cat sitting on a tray? A platter-puss, of course. No matter if it was the first time we heard it or the 40th time, she still laughed at her own joke. Kind of like us. What product are we serving up today? Keep watching, and we'll let you know. Hi, my name's Gary, and this is my buddy Matt. We're just a couple of gadget nerds who are lucky enough to be invited by Amazon to participate in the very exclusive Fine Voices program. We review all the latest and greatest Amazon products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. All you gotta do is like this video, hit that subscribe button, and keep an eye out for the secret hashtag hidden somewhere in today's video. You'll need it if you want to be in the running to win. It's the Magigo Walnut Ottoman Tray. Whether you're a home cook, professional chef, or a Nigella Lawson-esque domestic goddess, everyone who creates in the kitchen needs a fancy way of showing it off. After all, you eat with your eyes, not your mouth. The Magigo Walnut Ottoman Tray sets itself apart from the other serving boards by maintaining a vintage style and looking great at the same time. The walnut timber adds that little bit of style and flair to whatever you're serving. By using the dark wood as a contrasting frame to the colorful selection of delightful eats you serve your dinner guests. The Magigo Walnut Ottoman Tray is an elegant way to serve carved roasted meat and vegetables as a dinner centerpiece, or a charcuterie board full of cured cold cuts, cheeses, berries, and assorted pickled small goods. There are 4-inch wide carrying handles carved into both sides, and the tray itself is sanded to a high finish post-production and finished with a dual layer of food-safe natural wood wax to prevent cracking and splitting, while making the dark natural wood grain finish really pop and shine. It's not small either, measuring 18 inches in length, 32 inches in width, and having a lip of 2.5 inches in height. The solid timber construction gives the Magigo Walnut Ottoman Tray a feeling of stability and robustness that won't easily slip and slide on surfaces, coming in at 9.5 pounds. The walnut wood itself is handcrafted and joined together using dovetail joints to add to that heirloom look, while at the same time using the natural locking arrangement to keep it together without glues or resins. So what do we like about the Magigo Walnut Ottoman Tray? The thing you noticed almost immediately is the weight. This isn't flimsy in the slightest, and you can feel the construction quality as soon as you pick it up. It doesn't move on the bench or table once it's set down, and won't even slip on wet surfaces. That's the confidence you get from having 9.5 pounds of serving tray. The second thing that stood out was just how much you can fit on the Magigo Walnut Ottoman Tray. As you can see, there's a lot of things happening on this charcuterie board, and if I'm being honest, we could have fit a lot more on there. Then there are the aesthetics. The Magigo Walnut Ottoman Tray has a beautiful wood grain pattern that acts as a perfect rustic outline to whatever food you're serving up on it. Every time we have a family gathering, I make sure I put one of these out for our guests to nibble on throughout the afternoon. Without fail, they ask where they can get a Magigo Walnut Ottoman Tray, and if I can teach them how to build one of these fancy charcuterie boards. Spoiler alert, it's super easy. What's the downside? Unfortunately, due to the size and the construction, the Magigo Walnut Ottoman Tray is a bit of a pain to clean. You can't fit it in the dishwasher, and even if you did, you'd just ruin it. Best to give it a wipe with warm, soapy water and a cloth, and hit it with some disinfectant spray afterwards. We found that after several uses, the finishing wax had worn off, So we used some food-grade mineral oil to get it back looking great and revitalized. This helped prevent the timber from cracking and drying out. After that, using a combination of citrus oil and beeswax for the final waterproofing coat meant that it was back looking as good as new. So, what's the verdict? We can't go back to silicone, glass, or plastic serving boards after this one. Hardwood ruined me for life. This just feels right, and it doesn't look cheap in the slightest. We give it a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. What you get here in the Magigo Walnut Ottoman Tray is a solidly constructed, aesthetically pleasing way to present your nibbles and snacks, or ribs and briskets for all those barbecue nuts out there. The added bonus is that it really won't cost you an arm and a leg. And a Magigo Walnut Ottoman Tray could be yours. You'll be giving it away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing for this amazing product, the rules are very simple. Just make sure you're subscribed to the channel, that you like this video, and leave a comment in this video with the hidden hashtag from today's review. That's it. I hope you were paying attention, but just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. We'll then select someone at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck! If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.